In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Twitter pixel on your Shopify store. This process is incredibly straightforward and can provide invaluable insights into your audience's behavior, helping you fine-tune your marketing strategies with confidence. First, let's set the stage by accessing your Twitter Ads account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Tools section at the top, and from there, select Conversion Tracking. This area is essentially your command center for anything related to monitoring and tweaking campaign performance. Within this section, you want to click on Create New Conversion Event. This action will lead you to set up your new pixel, an essential step that lays the groundwork for all the analytics to come. After choosing to create a new conversion event, you'll be prompted to name your pixel. Choose something descriptive and easily recognizable, ideally something that configures well with your current campaigns. Next, you'll be offered a code snipped by Twitter. This is your pixel code, a small piece of JavaScript that you'll eventually add to your Shopify store. Now, be sure to copy this code snippet as we'll use it soon. Now that you're back at your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Online Store tab and then click Themes. This is your backend playground where you have the capability to modify how your store functions. Over on the right-hand side, there should be a button labeled Actions. Click it and then select Edit Code. This brings us to the code editor of your Shopify theme. Before you do anything here, it's a good practice to make a backup copy of your theme, just in case you need to revert back. Taking this precaution now leaves you with peace of mind, especially if you're not entirely comfortable with coding in HTML or Liquid. Now you'll want to find the theme.liquid file under the Layout section. This file serves as the backbone of your theme, essentially the skeletal structure upon which your entire store is built. You are going to be pasting the Twitter pixel code you copied earlier right above the closing head tag. This action will ensure that the pixel loads on every page of your website, capturing data effectively and providing those all-important analytics. The final step is inspecting your site to confirm that the pixel has been correctly installed. You can use a browser extension like the Twitter Pixel Helper for Chrome to double-check that everything is running smoothly. This extension will alert you to whether your code has been installed correctly and will notify you of any issues that might need addressing. That's it. Your Shopify store now has the Twitter pixel up and running, ready to gather valuable data on user interactions and amplify your understanding of customer behavior. With your new pixel up and running, you'll gain unprecedented insights, enabling you to adjust your advertising strategies with precision. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.